Welcome to Simple Garden, where we share the joy and beauty of gardening with you. Today, we're diving into some simple yet incredibly effective gardening hacks that will elevate your gardening game and make your plants thrive. First up, we have a clever trick using flexible or semi-hard white plastic to create durable garden tags. Simply cut the plastic into tag shapes, write the name of your seeds or plants with a marker, and place them in your garden. It's a great way to keep track of what plant is growing where. Next, let's talk about using tissue paper rolls to grow plants, especially legumes. This helps prevent transplant shock and ensures your legumes grow strong and healthy from the start. I recently planted white beans using this method, and the results were fantastic. Now, imagine turning a plastic bottle into a miniature greenhouse. By cutting the top off and placing it over your seedlings, you create a warm and protected environment for them to thrive in. But that's not all a plastic bottle can do. By simply poking holes in the cap and hanging it above your plants, you can create a drip irrigation system that delivers water directly to the roots, conserving water and ensuring your plants stay hydrated. But here's the thing, friends, none of this matters without your support, your likes, your comments, and most importantly, your subscriptions. Thank you for being a part of the Simple Garden family. Together, we can cultivate something truly special. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and inspiration from Simple Garden.